Hello guys, this is Sahib from Techie Tweaks. Welcome to our channel. And this time around I have tried something new. So giving tech news is important, but remaining healthy is also important. So instead of that fast food, eat some fruits. So guys, this is Sahib and this is the 26th episode of Tech News series on our channel. And before starting with Tech News series, I want to tell you that this Tech News is coming after 3 to 4 days, and some of you guys were actually asking me. So guys, before starting up this series, I have clearly told that this video will not come every day. It may come every day, but the thing is that whenever I will get good amount of news or the news which will be worth sharing with you guys, then I will make a video. And this time around I am getting some very good news, so watch the video till end. You will get to know a lot of things. So guys, let's start today's episode. So first news is actually coming from Jio, that Jio SIM is now available for U devices, Micromax, TCL and Alcatel. Yesterday it was available for Panasonic and Asus, so apparently it is available for every 4G compatible device. You can just go and get that SIM if you can. So if you are having a 4G phone, you can just go and get that SIM very easily. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Android or Google, you may say, that Android 7.0, that is Nougat, has its factory image officially released by Google, and now they are available for download, but they are not available for download for 6P or 5X. They are available for Google Pixel C and Asus Nexus Player. So 6P, 5X and other compatible devices will take some time, but it will eventually come out for those devices as well. So guys, the other news is actually coming from LG, that LG V20. So LG is teasing V20 a lot more now, that it will be having a dual camera setup. That's true. The other thing is that it will be having a very good DAC, and now they are saying that external audio output, or you can say speaker quality of that device, will be actually really good. So let's see how's the audio quality of that device. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Samsung, that demand of Note 7 is so much that actually Samsung is trying to cope up with the demand. Generally what happens is that Samsung always has good amount of stock ready for this type of things, but now the demand for Note 7 is so much that they are trying to build up that demand. And the same news is actually coming for Samsung Galaxy S7, that due to the launch of this Galaxy Note 7, the prices of S7 has gone down, and on Amazon India the S7 is now available for 42,000 and something, and the Edge variant will now cost you around 49,000 rupees. Although in general market you can get them for good prices if you want. And Galaxy S7 is also releasing a software update, as you can see in the images. It is a 150 megabit updates, and it includes Samsung cloud service, lots of performance improvements and lots of other things you can see in the images as I am showing right now. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Xiaomi, that Xiaomi has actually released the MIUI 8 for some devices like Redmi 1S, Redmi 2 and some other devices. But the thing is that the devices like Redmi 1S are still running on Android 4.4, that is KitKat, but they have not updated the devices like Note 3 or this 3S Prime and things, and the update will generally be coming to these devices really soon, so stay tuned for that. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Xiaomi again, that in India Xiaomi Mi 5 has got a price cut, and now the price is 23,000, so 2,000 rupees price cut. And I feel Snapdragon 823 GB RAM, 32 GB internal storage and all the things that Mi 5 offers is actually good, but the battery life is not good on Mi 5, and the call quality has some issues. So guys, the other news is coming from Sony, that Sony has given the list of devices which would be actually receiving the Nougat Android 7.0 Nougat update, and the devices are Z3 Plus, Z4 tablets, Z4, Z5, Z5 Compact, Z5 Premium, Sony Xperia X, XA, XA Ultra and XA Performance. So these will be the devices that will receive the 7.0 update. So this time around there is no Xperia Z3, which is kind of sad because that was a really good handset and really popular, but that's how it is. So guys, the news is actually coming from ZTE or ZTE. They are coming with new smartphone, that is ZTE Axon Max 2. It is having a 6-inch screen with Snapdragon 625. That's a good chipset, but the thing is that it is having 13 megapixel rear camera, which is capable of 4K video recording, and 13 megapixel front camera, which is again capable of 4K recording. So that's the interesting thing about this. And 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage. So guys, the other news is actually coming from you. I have already told you joke. So first, Eureka S is actually 5.2 inch 1080p display, Snapdragon 616. So that's the change. 3GB RAM, 16GB onboard storage, 13 megapixel on the back, 5 megapixel front, and they are running Android 5.1 Lollipop, and the price is 13,000. Yes, you are getting me right. The price is actually 13,000, so $200 for this smartphone. And they have also released the Unique S. So considering with its predecessor, that is Unique, only one thing has changed. The RAM is bumped to 2GB instead of 1GB, and rest specifications are same, like 720p display, Snapdragon 410, 8GB internal storage, 720p 4.7 inch display. Other things are same. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Samsung again, that Samsung has officially announced the Z2 Galaxy, not Galaxy but Z2, the Tizen powered smartphone in India for 4,600 rupees, and this is a 4-inch smartphone with Spectrum quad-core processor, 3.2 megapixel rear camera with flash, and front camera is available too. The RAM is 1GB, 8GB internal storage, 1500 milliamp hour battery, and it does support that Geo offer if you want to buy that device. So guys, as we were discussing, the Xiaomi S6s is coming to India, and it has come to India, but the pricing is, let me guess, what's the pricing? It's 18,000 for this smartphone. And we had a poll that time that do we need a selfie centric device, or special selfie centric device, and most of you were saying that no, we don't need a selfie centric device. So answer the poll here, guys. Xiaomi is actually saying that they are competing with the Redmi Note 3 or the G4 Plus. So tell me, is there any competition between the Redmi Note 3 and the Xiaomi S6s? Considering me, no competition. So guys, the other news is actually coming from our OnePlus users, that OnePlus X is getting Oxygen upgrade to Marshmallow, and the Oxygen OS build number is now 3.1.0, and this is a beta update, and it will be given to some users too, but considering the OnePlus standards, it might take 1 or 2 months more for the update. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Vivo. Vivo has released a new smartphone, 4.5 inch 480p display, Snapdragon 410, 1GB RAM, 16GB internal storage. So that's nice. Android 5.1, but it is on top of FunTouch OS 2.0, so very outdated Android version. 5 megapixel rear camera with LED flash, 2 megapixel front, 2200 milliamp hour battery, and the price is 7,500 rupees. This is the choice and state of this, and you guys actually already know that, so answer the poll here too. So guys, the other news is actually coming from Xiaomi, that there is an event in China on August 25, and it is believed that Xiaomi may release the Redmi 4 with updated Snapdragon 625, which is actually built on 14 nanometer process, and it would be a good processor. I haven't tested any smartphone with that. Yes, I haven't tested. So guys, another news is coming from Intex, that Intex has announced new smartphone, Intex Cloud Thread, 5-inch HD display with Dragon Trail Grass, hexa-core MediaTek MT6591 processor with Mali 450, 2GB RAM, 16GB internal storage, Android 5.1, Lollipops, 5 megapixel front, 5 megapixel rear, 2200 milliamp hour battery. And the pricing is actually very good, I would say here, just 5,000 rupees. Although I have not tested the device, but looking at raw specification, it looks good, but the actual thing which matters is performance, real world performance, I would say. So that was pretty much it from the video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you do, hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to support Techie Tweaks, use the affiliate links which are in description box down below. You will be charged nothing extra, but it will help out the channel. If you want to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. All the links are given in description box down below. So this is Sahib from Techie Tweaks signing off. Thank you guys for watching, and we will meet in next one.